Welcome to Brit Vocab Lab.
In this video, we will practice pet vocabulary in British English.
Let's begin. Dog. Dog. Puppy. Puppy. Cat. Cat.
Kitten. Kitten.
Goldfish. Goldfish. Rabbit. Rabbit. Hamster. Hamster. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. Horse. Horse.
Rat. Rat.
Parrot. Parrot.
Snake. Snake. Budgie. Budgie.
Bearded dragon. Bearded dragon.
Tortoise. Tortoise. Ferret. Ferret. Quiz time. What pet is this?
Dog.
What pet is this?
Parrot.
What pet is this?
Rabbit. Well done.
You have practiced pet vocabulary in British English.
To make the words stick, say them out loud a few times. Speaking helps build confidence and fluency.
Like and subscribe for more vocabulary videos.